Welcome to another edition of our Superintendent's Video Newsletter. I hope everyone has had a great start to the new school year. I want to highlight a special event that's taking place this year as we recognize Hartley Outdoor Education Center's 50th anniversary. To learn more, here is Liz Roxberry, our Program Director.
We are so excited to welcome our community back to the beautiful Murphy Farm here as part of the Intermediate School District and Hartley Outdoor Education Center for a celebration of 50 years of bringing learning to life. We are going to be having a once-in-a-lifetime festival. We will never have another 50th anniversary where we're going to invite our community back to experience everything that we have highlighted throughout the last 50 years. Out here at Murphy Farm, it is so beautiful and it is such an attractive place to bring in some heritage artisans. So we're really excited. We have John Gallo, who's going to be joining us from New Shire Forge. So he'll be doing live blacksmithing demonstrations. We have great partnerships with local potteries. We have activities like crosscut sawing and Hartley traditional activities like candle dipping that you and your kids can do. Take a Hartley candle home and just celebrate some of that living legacy that we've had throughout the last 50 years. For the first time in several years, all of our historic buildings here at Murphy Farm will be reopened to the public. A lot of our community remember being able to go into Fowler one-room schoolhouse, which is one of our original one-room schoolhouses. That will be all reconditioned, ready to receive students and families alike throughout the rest of this year. Hennigy Mercantile, which is behind us, belonged to the Hennigy family. It was moved here as part of our historic sites. All of them are on the Michigan Historic Registry, and we are just so thrilled to be stewards of these incredible pieces of history here in Michigan. So I do not want to understate in any way how excited we are to welcome our immediate and surrounding communities out to this festival right here on October 11th from 10 to 4. We're excited to start bringing events back, public festivals back, and we really hope that our community will celebrate with us and come out for these things. Bring your neighbor, bring your friends, come spend a beautiful Michigan fall day with us.
Thank you, Liz, for that incredible explanation and invitation to our community to join us all for this once-in-a-lifetime celebration at Hartley Outdoor Education Center. Until next time, I wish everyone a continued great start to the school year as we all lead forward and expand possibilities.